Hello friends, I invite you to the foot and ankle trauma course of Conceptual Orthopedics. Foot and ankle orthopedics is something that is being asked for over the last few years. We've seen a trend that not just in the theory exam, in the OSCEs, we have seen a lot of foot and ankle cases, so much so that the OSCE a year ago had almost half of these stations that were from topics related to foot and ankle. And foot and ankle trauma forms an important part of theory exam as well. So, and we have tried in our course to cover every aspect over the next over 2 days to cover every aspect of foot and ankle trauma. We have the best of faculty, the best of foot and ankle surgeons, not just from here but also abroad. We have pediatric orthopedic surgeons as well. Dr. Fahim is with us, and with me I have the privilege of having Dr. Anuj Chawla. And what makes the foot and ankle course different this time around is that we will discuss cases, and trauma cases, the more we discuss with you, the better it is for you to understand, and not just understand, it is easier for you to communicate, not just now but also in the exam, where you will be faced with a scenario of various cases of trauma around the foot and ankle. And I request you all and I invite you to be a part of this course, not just attend the course, be a part of it. Thank you.